It's another beautiful day for an RV inspection. We are in Sanford, Florida, about to inspect this Entegra Odyssey 30Z. Now stick around because as usual, we will update you at noon, and at the end of the day, we don't know what we're going to find, and neither do you.
All right, so first glimpse, we just pulled in. We were just talking with the seller. Nice unit, looks first sight like it's been well maintained. I already saw a little crooked thing. And I want to say this because we have some comments sometime, and we don't stage those. These are, you learn as you go, just like you are. So we don't set up to see, we found something, we're going to make it a video. This is really what we do on a daily basis. So this would be you, the buyer of this. And luckily, we had this potential buyer that already came. He flew down here. He test drove it. He smelt it. So Laurel doesn't have to figure out, is the fridge bad? Or so we kind of like it when that happens. But when it doesn't, well, you're going to kind of rely on where we stand. And we can't be the judge and say what it really smelled. But we try to do our best to convey what we felt and how we felt it. So to give us a quick brief on this, that's the first thing I saw. This little bracket on the upper awning roller is kind of at an angle, so I'll have to check if this is loose. I know she already admitted that the leveling system control is supposed to be overnighted, so it's supposed to be here today. If we can inspect it, I don't know, but we'll do all of this. And I haven't looked nowhere in here, but oh, you also have the table and everything's all set. This is nice because this is a back slide out, so we'll check if this works properly like it should. And honestly, at first look, you can see that people are neat. See, that's the difference. See, we see now everything is organized, everything is in place, everything is structured. See, the inside of the door is clean, so we might be on a good strike today. This might be a fun unit to inspect and maybe have a perfect unit at the end of the day. I don't know, we'll see. Nice TV. I didn't even know they had an outside TV on this. This is nice. See those screens? You need to put this, people, because those bug thingy, the dauber that will build cement, it becomes like ceramic in there. So you need to put those screens. This is not just a fashion thing. You need to do this. So we'll go see what Laurel have inside and what she's found. Either now or at lunchtime, I don't know. She'll decide as usual.
If you enjoy our videos, we would love it if you'd hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, and also comment. If you don't know what to comment, just put C4BO. Comment for Blue Ox.
All right, lunchtime. Let's recap. Roof, pinhole, one pinhole. This roof is pretty immaculate. That's a fiberglass round up one-piece unit. It's beautiful. Everything on there has been there. I can see there's been fixed on the front end corner. Somebody did some different lap sealant, different material. So you can see it's been done after. So there was an issue there. And actually, I think Laurel sent me up there because she saw something inside. So we'll see that a little bit later because I know she commented to me this morning. Then I went up there and I found this. So as you can see in that little clip, it shows you the difference in material that we have. The other thing is, and that's me, come on this side and so you don't have the sun in your face. And I want to show you this. So see, normally when you have a trim like this on the slide out, you'll have that kind of that plumbing paste, that thing that always looks like goo and it's never nice. So I think the problem is at this end, as you can come up here, see this one, there's some in the corner, but that's it. All the way up, there's none. And I think that's why it made me look into the underneath. And I had a little bit of reading here, but this is all solid. But I had a little bit of humidity reading here. So I recommend to have this sealed because roof, floor, everything is fine. There's nothing ruined or that it's life, it's done, it's good, it's solid. And the other thing is this bracket here. That's the first thing I saw this morning when we came in. So those screws, as you can see, I took a little video when I was up there, and Laurel's going to show you that you can see the screws are not tight to the body. So now it's going to be mechanical, going under, get dirty. So I'm hungry. Let's go see what Laurel has to say inside, and then we're going to go and have a lunch break and come back at the end of the day.
So as Pierre said, it's lunchtime, so midday, and I'm wicked excited. This is a beautiful unit. It comes like this farm style look. I honestly thought the seller had done all of these upgrades, and she said, nope, this is exactly how it comes. It is beautiful. As you know, I like to do my ceilings. I like to see if there's anything going on up there. And up here, along the whole edge of this slide, I was getting some readings. So I told Pierre, you know what, you need to check the roof. So I think he just barely talked to you about that. And then I decided I'm going to go through, do my walls, my floors. Everything is looking perfect. Next, it's time to do the water. And I did my sinks, and I'm running them. Bathroom, kitchen, toilet. And then, do you guys like my new shoes? Those are my new sneaks. Talk about some cute kicks, huh? Yeah, we like to keep things clean when we're in somebody else's RV or home. So like I was saying, coming into the shower, now I was doing my shower and I went on the inside first, checking on my sealant. It appeared to be all sealed until I got here. And then the water started leaking right out of this wall right here, right onto the floor. As a matter of fact, it's still leaking down there right now. So I'll just put some, just a little bit. It's just a little bit of moisture there. So we have a leaky shower. What are they going to do? Seal it, of course. This afternoon, I'm going to go through all of my appliances and the TVs inside and out and whatever else I have left on my list, which is quite a bit. And I'll see you at the end of the day, and hopefully I won't have anything else to tell you.
End of the day. Recap. So, I've been told that I'm stoic and I'm not funny. Well, it's not funny. This is serious. So, sorry, but yeah, when I get in the trance, they call me the RV whisperer. Well, I take it seriously, I guess. So, but I got a problem here. This is an awesome unit. It is beautiful. I'm stoked and stunned from my customer that I think he's going to have a good ride. This is quite phenomenal. 2019, really in shape. We have a problem with the propane. There's a propane leak, a tiny bit, but it needs to be addressed. It's life safety. So on this side, I've got a water issue. So as you can see, it's still wet down here. So see behind this wall around here. So all right, first of all, there's levers here for your city fill, and I don't know why they try to put those clear yet complicated where it never works. So now you're creating, I know Laurel thinks the shower is here, the shower's head is here, there's nothing coming out. I'm just inspecting, I'm not solving the problem, but I do have drippage from here. So it's either from the back of this bank or this attachment inside that's dripping there. No big deal, anything can be fixed. So overall, that's about it. I brought this for a purpose. That means that if Laurel's done outside, see how dirty this is? So I need another inspection where there's a washer dryer, because now we've got to wash our clothes and make sure your washer dryer is not leaking. So let's go see what Laurel have for us.
Well, it's the end of my day, and I have had such a good time in here. Listen, I am so excited that our customer hired an RV inspector. Yes, we found some small things. For me, nothing major. I told you about the shower leaking. That's something that they're going to be able to fix with some sort of sealant. But the beauty is he can now go on the road, peace of mind. Illinois Dave, yes, that is a joke between us. Illinois Dave, you're going to have a blast in this RV with your family. So guys, having an RV inspection is super important. If we don't find anything, good for you. If we do find stuff, good for you also, because now you have negotiating power of lever. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.